Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. Happy holidays. And you know what that means at Level 5? We've got fantastic deals. 20, 15, 10% off across automatic taping tools, skimming blades, hand tools. You got to go check out the deals we've got. We've got the finishers back. There's a couple great ways to take advantage of this. Number one, go to level5tools.com and sign up for our VIP program. Simple sign up. You're going to get early access to all the holiday deals, and throughout the year, you're going to get other specials and discount opportunities that others don't receive. Second way, go to your phone and text 77222 to L5. That's going to sign you up for our flash sales. We have fantastic deals, folks, sometimes up to 50% off. Limited quantities, these things go fast, but you're going to want to take advantage of that. Third thing is you can call. We've got people waiting to take your phone call if you just want to talk through what your needs might be. You can call 1-800-227-7713. That's 1-800-227-7713. Somebody will help you out picking out your holiday gifts. The one thing that you're hearing a lot about is supply chain. A lot of products stuck offshore and people aren't able to get the products in here that they need for the holidays. That's not the case at Level 5. We've invested all year long to prepare for this holiday season, so we have the tools you need when you need them. We're fully stocked here. We've invested heavily in Level 5 inventory. We hope you invest in Level 5 tools and start building that partnership. 2022 is going to be another great year. You know, while other companies were sitting around not innovating and really not building the product that they might need for this holiday season, we were pouring the gas on. We've got a lot of new stuff coming out in 2022 that you're going to absolutely love. We're working with finishers around the world to design and test new products that help you get your jobs done faster, more efficient, so you can make more money. Again, we're always finisher first. We're known for our legendary customer service because we value the finisher. We've built this business from the finishers on up, and we value each and every one of you each and every day. So we hope you take advantage of these special opportunities for discounts during the holiday season. Thank you again. Happy holidays and welcome to the Red Zone.
Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I really hope you're enjoying the content, the video content we're putting up here on YouTube. We're going to continue to do more of that in terms of how to use the tools. And again, lots of conversations about new items coming up in the future. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click on the red subscribe button that you'll see here on the screen, and then click on that bell icon as well. That way you're notified about all new content that comes out from Level 5 Tools. We deeply appreciate your trust in Level 5 Tools. We guarantee we're always going to be here to support you. Thank you for your business. Welcome to the Red Zone.